All right, class, welcome back to the fourth debugging exercise in this series. I have it up here. Let's go ahead and run it, see what happens. So now it lists all of the errors that we have. So let's just go ahead and use the IDE debugging tool to help us navigate. We were expecting a semicolon at the end of line 8, so let's go down to line 8. We need a semicolon there. Boom. That should go away. It does. The name lean does not exist in the context. That's on line 9, so let's go to line 9. And let's correctly spell right line. Perfect. Next one is the name vertically does not exist on line 11. So line 11, okay, they are doing a string data, but they do not have the opening double quotes. So that should fix that. And it does. The name right line, again, they messed up on the name right line, does not exist on line 13. Line needs to be capitalized. Okay. The name the does not exist in the current context, line 14. That's because it is trying to find a variable. It is not looking for the string data, so we need to set another set of double quotes right up there. That should be it. Type or namespace definition or end of life expected, so line 17. So we have too many closing curly braces. So for your class body is going to be encompassed in a set of curly braces. And then each method is going to have its own set of curly braces. So for every opening one you have, you need to have a corresponding closing one. If you have too many, it's going to give some issues. And let's see, applying source change while the application is running is not supported by the runtime. So just run it, see if it works. It does. So that works out just fine. All right. So we have successfully debugged, and this right line is sticking out a little bit. I don't like that, so I'm going to move it. Perfect. All right. Let me know if you have any issues, and we'll see you in the next video.